How to fix Coral Island keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game, open up the properties window, and then you want to type -dx11 like this under the launch options box, and then go to the installed files tab, click on verify integrity of game files, and then wait for this process to finish checking the files. And once it's done, it should basically start repairing the files. Then you will need to click on browse button and then find the game's exe file, right click on it, go to the compatibility tab and make sure to enable both of these options right here. Click on OK and then close out of this window. Next, you want to check the GPU updates. So for NVIDIA, you should use NVIDIA app to check for updates. Click on this arrow to check for them, and you should download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And once you do that, you will basically need to restart your computer. And after restarting your computer and before opening Steam, you should open up a browser and then simply search for redist like this for redistributables. Click on the first Microsoft link and then scroll down till you see this table right here, and then make sure to download the x86 and the x64, both of them. Download and install them, which basically will download an installer. And once you install them, you should have the redistributables like this. Make sure it's 2015 until to 2022 redistributables for 86 and 64. And once you do have them installed, you should simply run Steam as administrator. Right click on Steam and click on run as admin, and then simply launch the game from here, and that should solve the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.